Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to change account location on Roblox. Alright, let's begin. First of all, as you can see, I'm currently on the Roblox website. Now, you might want to change your account location because you're currently in a different part of the world. So to do this, get to roblox.com and log into your account. Once you've done that, you want to come up to the top right-hand corner, click on the gear icon, and then access settings. Now here you want to make sure that you're in the account info section. So what you need to do is scroll down slightly until you get to the personal section. Here you're going to see your account location. Now what you want to do is just simply click onto the location box and choose the location from the available ones. Note that this method is only valid for a number of regions, but it won't be working for everyone. In case it doesn't work for you, then you will need to contact Roblox support. For that, you want to come up to the address bar at the top and put support at the end of the URL. Once done, you will then need to enter the required information, select the target platform you are using, and then describe the problem you're facing. Hopefully, the Roblox support team will be able to solve your problem. So that's basically how you can change account location on Roblox. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.